Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Paul Farmer. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make high ticket sales for just $50. I know it sounds absolutely insane. I just put up a post this morning about this exact thing, found a way to make high ticket commissions without having to purchase high ticket products. Now, that's to me, in my opinion, um, based on everything I've seen over the years, is amazing. Absolutely amazing. You don't have to go and pay thousands of dollars for a high ticket product so you can earn commissions. You can literally pay $50, a $50 membership, and be able to earn up to $4,050. Let me break this down for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, the truth of the matter is, I feel silly sharing this with you because it's so obvious. Like if you could take a $50, $50, and you could flip that into $4,050, what if you just keep making these commissions over and over? There's no limit. Like, would that be a wise decision? Like, it seems very obvious, doesn't it? But, it isn't. It isn't. A lot of people have very deep limiting beliefs that prevent them from even believing this is possible. And the two, they're going to find a reason why they can't do it. So, anyway, what I want to do is I just want to share with you the different commissions you can earn with a $50 membership, literally a $50 membership. And there's actually more to this that you can earn. But I just want to focus on the high ticket stuff because like it's pretty amazing that you can take like there's no limit to opportunity these days. You can take $50, which you can find somewhere. You can borrow it, you can go out and sell something, you can mow lawns, you can collect cans. You can't say you can't find $50. That's not going to fly. I know people will say that, but let's just be real. You just don't want it bad enough. You don't want to change your life. That's the whole problem, right? So maybe you're happy with that sad story. I don't have enough money. I can't do anything. And you want people to feel sorry for you. This video in for you. You can go ahead and click off right now and go watch, funny dog videos or whatever you want to watch. All right. So here we go. They're not all high ticket commissions, by the way, but with $50, you can earn $75. You can earn $225. You can earn $450. You can earn $900 commissions. $1,350 commissions, $2,475 commissions, and $4,050 commissions, and even over $15,000 commissions. Again, for $50, okay? So we have people that have gotten started. And what I'm talking about here is a completely 100% automated system where they got started with their $50 membership and they've been able to come on and make $900 commissions with a $50 membership. They've been able to come on and make $1,350, even $4,050 with a $50 membership. Okay, are you listening to me? It doesn't have to cost you a lot of money to make money. Like that's not the truth at all. That's something that is a myth, especially these days. Again, this is only one part of a bigger whole where you can earn from multiple streams of income, residual income, which is freedom income, income that comes in month after month after month, even though you're not doing the work. But all I'm talking about is high ticket income because this is right now money. This is money that can pay your expenses, create an advertising budget for you, or use it for whatever the heck you want to use it for. But this is happening, okay? So with $50, you're probably wondering, well, what are people paying for, right? People are paying for advertising. That's what they're paying for. And 10% at this time, 10% of the members that come into this 100% completely automated system, that sounds stupid too, doesn't it? Right? 100% completely automated system. Uh, sorry, I'm just being honest. This is just how I am. I have, been in the trenches. Okay, I have grinded over the years. I have learned how to do the things most people don't want to do to make money online. Most people don't want to recruit. Most people don't want to follow up. Most people don't want to close. Most people don't want to make content. They don't want to make videos. Most people don't want to call people. They don't want to do this stuff. Most people don't want to do this stuff. You don't have to with this system. It's done for you. Can you? Absolutely. Should you? Probably should, especially if you need to make extra money. Because the more people you bring into this system, which is free to join, by the way, and use, you could even use it to promote two of your own offers. um, like there's no downside here. That's what's incredible. With $50, you can literally start making $900 commissions, $1,350 commissions. This is what I know, having been in the industry for 13 years. 13 years. Yesterday was 13 years for me, and working with many, many, many people over the years, and being parts of systems over the years. One thing I know for a fact is people will always purchase traffic. And like I said, 10% of the people that come in, they purchase traffic. Now, there's more to this than what I'm talking about, and I will share that in another video. But I really only wanted to share this one part because, in my opinion, this by itself is huge. Like, you can't come to me anymore and be like, hey, you know what? I would love an opportunity to make more money, but I don't have any money. Okay, we'll go find $50. Okay, if you don't want to do that, then, you're making that decision, but you can't say there's no opportunity. You can go collect cans. You can go sell something. I'm sure you got something around your house you can sell. You can go work extra hours at your job, work a second job. There's so many things you can do. I talk about an opportunity where you can write letters and get paid. There's so many different ways of going about getting a measly $50, borrow $10 from five people, you know, borrow 25 from two, borrow 50 from one person. It's not even a lot of money. So if someone were to tell me, hey, you know what? If you just give me $50, you have the opportunity to make unlimited high ticket commissions. Like even the lowest one is bigger than $50. 75 is greater than $50. And you can make these over and over again. People come back and repurchase these. People purchase various ones. Like it's pretty incredible what's possible. Like I said, there's a whole lot more to this system than I'm just talking about right now. I really just wanted to focus on something that I almost find silly. Like, why wouldn't anybody want to do this? Like, it doesn't make sense to me. And if you wouldn't want to make, let's just say $900. If you do not want to make $900 commissions from $50, $850 profit, share with me why in the comments. I really want to know. I'm not trying to be a jerk. I'm just trying to understand where you're coming from because, I sucked at math, but an $850 profit over $50, that makes a lot of sense. You got 1350 here. I mean, it makes a lot of sense. And no, not everybody's going to do this, but some people are, and you will get paid. And like I said, there's other ways to get paid with this 100% automated system. Okay. If you want information, go check it out. Experience the system for yourself by clicking on the link in the description below. With that, I hope you got value. Hope and trust you got value. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like what you see, and like I said, leave a comment, good or bad. I would love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My contact information is right in the description of this video. And with that, make a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.